Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you weekly horoscope, weekly forecast for all the moon signs and presenting from Aries to Pisces, and this week commencing from 30th January till 5th of February. So all the prediction given are according to your moon sign. So all the predictions, recommendations, solutions, precautions and the chantings. Going to talk about Leo. Leo, the coming week, the profession can be mediocre. Sometimes struggle will be there, but the rewards will not be there. That's the ground reality. You have to carry on putting your efforts. You have to carry on thinking positive. Sometimes expenditure can be sky high. You might involve in a lot of arguments or conflict with your nearest and dearest. Sometimes you end up with a huge row with people. You have to be very careful about your dealing or mingling with people. Make sure people should not misunderstand you, what you're saying, what your intentions are. There might be a few arguments or conflict unavoidably waiting for you. So be careful and beware of those arguments. This is not a time to involve yourself in any argument or conflict or initiate any argument or conflict with anybody. The answer is no, no, no. Health-wise, look after your headaches, your eyesight. You have to be very careful. You have to be on guard. Sometimes the hope is there, something is coming up or things are moving on, but obstacles are there, left, right and center. But end of the day, you have to keep up your effort, thinking positively all the time. Does not matter what anybody says, makes no difference to you. You have to be positive, you have to be on the track, you have to be devoted, you have to be determined, you have to build up your vision, you have to refresh your vision, you build up your drive, motivate yourself, and please be on the track. That's important. The task you must do in this coming week, first thing first, take 7 kilogram rice, float in the fastest flowing river. Take 6 kilogram good, float in the fastest flowing river. Take 5 kilogram whole moong, float in the fastest flowing river. And take 500 gram black salt, bury in the ground on Saturday morning. Take 8 blue flowers, bury in the ground. Donate 8 kilogram sugar, donate to the temple. And do wear a silver square piece in a silver chain around your neck. So these are your tasks. Precaution wise, watch your honor, watch your word or speech. Refrain from any kind of arrogant behavior. The chanting you must do, Om Eng Harim Kalim Chamundai Viche Namo Shivai. 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 More you do it, more you achieve it. Now I'm coming to the end of my show. I'll be back with another fresh horoscope very soon. Look after yourself and take care.